Changes are mandatory in this competitive world, as adapting to a new technology is very important to survive or even to stand out from the different stages of your life and even in your business. And for that, every area or even business has to identify the different changes and factors they can do to grow in the market. That is the task that somehow falls under business analysis. Hello and welcome back to Fingertips. In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of business analysis. We will discuss who a business analyst is, their roles with their different responsibilities. So if you are interested in this field or simply curious to learn more about it, then you are at the right place. So without waiting any further, let's get started. A business analyst is a professional who works within an organization to analyze its operations, identify areas for improvement, and propose solutions to enhance business processes and achieve organization goals. Business analysts bridge the gap between the business needs and technology by gathering and interpreting data, conducting researches, and collaborating with different stakeholders. They play a crucial role in understanding the current state of a business and facilitating the development and implementation of several strategies for future success. To make it easier for you, let's take an example of an organization to understand the role of a business analyst more clearly. Let's say a company is experiencing a decline in sale of one of its products. Now the management team is concerned and wants to understand the reason behind this decline and finds a way to improve the sales. They bring in a business analyst to investigate the situation. The business analyst starts by collecting data on sales figures, customers' feedback, market trends, and competitor analysis. They conduct interviews with sales representatives, marketing teams, and customers to gain insights into the problem. They firstly analyze the data and identify potential factors contributing to the decline, such as changing customer preferences, increased competition, or inactive marketing strategies. Now, based on their analysis, the business analyst presents a report to the management team outlining the essential findings and recommendations. Now, they propose different strategies to address the identified issues, such as developing a new marketing campaign, improving the product's features based on customers' feedback, or exploring a totally new market segment. Now the business analyst works closely with different teams within the organization, including sales, marketing, and product development, to implement the recommended solutions. They track the progress of the initiatives, measure the impact on sales, and provide regular updates to the management team. So guys, here in this example, the business analyst played a vital role in identifying the root causes of the sales decline and proposing actionable solutions to bring on the positive changes. With this, let's move on to the next phase of this video and understand the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. The first and the most important responsibility is gathering and analyzing business requirements. This responsibility involves conducting through several researches, interviews, and workshops with stakeholders to identify their needs, goals, and objectives. Once the requirements are collected, the business analyst needs to document them in a clear and a concise manner. These documents serve as a reference for the project team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and has a clear understanding of what needs to be achieved. Another crucial role of a business analyst is to facilitate effective communication between different stakeholders. They act as a translator, breaking down complex technical terms into easily understandable languages for non-technical team members, and vice versa. This helps ensuring effective collaboration and alignment among all the parties involved. In addition to communication, a business analyst is responsible for analyzing and modeling several business processes. They identify areas of improvement, streamline workflows, and propose solutions to enhance overall efficiency and productivity within the organization. As a business analyst, one must have excellent problem-solving skills. They are often required to identify and resolve any issues or conflicts that arises during the project lifecycle. This involves critically analyzing the data, conducting root causes analysis, and proposing effective solutions to minimize risk and challenges. Further moving on, a business analyst also plays a vital role in testing and quality assurance phases of a project. What they do is they collaborate with the development team to define different test cases, perform user acceptance testing, and ensures that the final product meets the desired requirement and the quality standards. Last but not the least, a business analyst is also involved in the continuous improvement of different processes and systems within an organization. What they do is they monitor and evaluate the implemented solutions, collect feedbacks from different users, and suggest enhancements or even modifications to keep up with the changing business needs and market trends. So that wraps up this video on who a business analyst is with their different roles and responsibilities. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this profession. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Till then, happy learning.